Innovate UK's Net Zero Heat programme is driving faster innovations so the UK prospers from moving completely off gas for heating, space and water in buildings. The Net Zero Heat cohort are UK companies that will play a huge role in delivering this, and we're working collectively to overcome barriers to their growth and scaling out. We'd like to share their stories.
The energy carbon system is a whole house integrated heating system using infrared technology. We have various iterations of the heating system, so in its base format it's perforated so it can be plastered into the ceilings above us. And then we have other products as well, one that will go behind dry lining for volumetric building. We have one that goes into office situations, that's our new SmartFlex product, which can save up to 500% on commercial buildings' energy usage.
So what we do with our heating is we're producing the same electromagnetic thermal radiation as the sunshine. So instead of us using the air to carry this temperature around to make you feel comfortable, and you may feel a little bit stuffy with that air, we're actually producing exactly the same as in nature. That changes its energy from the ceiling to this area, and it changes that in kinetic energy. So once this then warms up, and the floors warm up, and every surface in this room warms up, it now emulates to start to warm the air as a secondary. So you will never come into one of our heated rooms and go, whew, the heating's on. When you enter a room, you should never think about heating, you should just feel comfortable. And that's really, I think, the crux of not just being energy efficient, but actually being healthy for a human being as well. With infrared heating, it's changed over the years. Originally, it was all very much very high surface temperature ceramic plates, and then the industry then moved into using carbon. That was one of the problems we're having a lot of problems with in China, was you have a lamination of that carbon product, but you never know when that product's going to delaminate. But once it delaminates, you get what you would call a hot spot, and then that could be a fire hazard. So once we come across the product being able to be homogenized, so there's no lamination process, that then enables us to have a true fit and forget product.
So we as a company do a lot of luxury home renovations, a lot of luxury kitchens which inevitably have real stones, marbles, granites, and what works really well with the infrared heating from Energy Carbon is how the stones absorb the heat and will slowly release it during the day, so it kind of works together very well. Energy Carbon's product is easy to install. A normal plasterer can install it, a normal electrician with a little bit of training can install it, so it's a solution which the construction industry can adopt a lot easier.
So being part of this Innovate UK Net Zero cohort gives us credibility in the marketplace. It allows people to look at Energy Carbon and see that we are part of a bigger thing. We're working with people from government, trying to do what we say we're trying to do, which is achieve our SAP accreditation in the long term and get infrared heating known about in the marketplace.
Joining with the cohort group and finding that route to net zero, the only way I can really explain it is like being handheld, and it's given us that confidence that we are getting somewhere now.
Net Zero cohort brings a bunch of us together, gives us the chance to network with people, come up with other solutions, and to also just feel that we're not, it sounds a bit cheesy, but we're not alone. You know, there's others out there and having a similar journey, which gives us hope.